Let's go through the initial setup to get your ice maker ready. First, place the ice maker upright on a level surface and unpack your product. Make sure you have received all the accessories. Peel off the blue plastic film. Please keep it upright for 2 hours before using the ice maker for the first time. After 2 hours, start cleaning the machine. Make sure to fully insert the drain plug. Next, open the front lid. Remove the ice basket, add potable water to the water reservoir. Add clean water to the water reservoir. Please remember, don't fill past the max water level line. Now power on the machine and press and hold the clean button to start the cleaning process. You'll see this indicator light up, which means the cleaning has started. Once the cycle finishes, drain the water from the machine. Repeat this cleaning process at least 2 times. When you're done, make sure to fully insert the drain plug. After cleaning, press the start button to begin making your first batch of ice. You'll see the indicator light up again, showing the machine is working. When the ice basket is full, the ice full indicator will light up. Discard the initial batch of ice to ensure the best taste. Drain remaining water from the machine. Then, insert the drain plug back. Clean the ice basket and ice scoop. Finally, wipe down the inside and outside of the machine with a dry cloth. Now your ice maker is all set. Enjoy your fresh ice.